Technology is technology in 2025. Prepare for the fourth industrial revolution. You have heard this before. The rate of technological change of accelerating. It's unpredictable and unprecedented. As the World Economic Forum's acknowledge in its Wonder of Jobs poll, we are entering a fourth industrial revolution. Developments is previously signed fields such as artificial and intelligences and machine learning, robotic, nanotechnology, 3D printing, and genetic biotechnology are all the building on and now and amplifying one another. One average by 2020, more than a third of the desired core skill set for the more than a third of the desired core skill sets of most occupation will be compromised of skill that are not yet considered crucial to the job today. The key of surviving the new industrial revolution is leading it. That requires two element of the early business awareness of the disruptive technology and a plan of development talent that can make the most of it. 10 technologies that will transform the global economy by 2025. With so many technologies emerging on so many fronts, it's challenge to keep up. Every advance is built as the next big things. Combining a report by the McKinsey Global Institute and knowledge of the polar side subject matter expert, we have compiled a list of 10 technologies that will lead the fourth industrial revolution. As the situation notes, not every emerging technologies will enter the business of social landscape. Some truly to have the professional to describe the status quo alter the way people live and work, the rearrange value pools. Mobile internet interfaces formats sensor and the apps will evolve as mobile computing devices dominate internet connectivity. By 2025, mobile connectivity could be accessed by the an additional 4.3 billion people. Artificial intelligences, machine learning, and users interface such as speech and gesture recognized technologies will advance to increase productivity or eliminate some knowledge work altogether. Virtual and augmented reality. Reality. Goldman Sachs is betting is a virtual and augmented reality industry of become an $80 billion market by 2025 is around $7 billion right now. Major upgrades will come to technology, infrastructure, and ecosystem of apps will from of the consumer and enterprises alike. Good technology, technology. One of the biggest buzzwords of the last decades will continue to impact the next. Nearly all of the services and web of cloud could be delivered through and cloud with more enterprises using the public cloud as the cyber security proofs. Internet of Things. More than 9 billion devices are currently connected to the internet. The number of the estimated to grow between 50 billion of nearly 1 trillion is next decade. Organization will face training and securing a productive system, device, and even people. Advanced robotic, advanced in artificial intelligence, machine vision, sensor, motors, and